Okay, hello professor, this is Nathaniel Guzman, Pantry ID 6282377, and I'm going to show you here my virtual machine with the lab 4 assignment. So first of all, I verified that the Mosquito client was installed in this computer, in this virtual machine. Then I proceed to extract the libraries on the desktop, and I created a folder called lab 6, that's my folder. Then I downloaded the AMD64 library because I tried here doing the installation with the one that was on the zip file, and it's an ARM, so it's for the Raspberry Pi. I don't have a Raspberry Pi, so I had to use the other ones, which is the one that is on the zip file, which is for AMD64. In my case, I have a 64-bit virtual machine. So after I do that, I install all of the dependencies before that, which is contained in this notes updated, which is very useful. Thank you for this. This is just a list of commands that we need to run if you're using this library. That saves a lot of time, a lot of headache. So after I did that, I proceeded to create the dependencies for the library, dpkg, install the Mosquito library, and then I proceeded to start creating the folders needed for the lab, the certificate folders. I was very careful to follow the folder tree that is provided on the assignment. So I did it one by one, each command. First I created a certificate folder, then I created a certificate authority folder, and then I proceeded to create the keys for the certificate authority. Using the values that were provided on the PDF, I filled them out right here. I used the password, the FIU123456. I proceeded then to create the broker one. I made sure to use the cd dot when the PDF says, making sure to have the proper folder tree. Then created the broker folder, created the keys for the broker, generated the files for the broker right here using the same values as the PDFs on this case for the descriptions. Then I proceed to create the broker's key certificate, the certificate for the broker. This case I was having issues because I was not copying right the command. It's missing the that out. In this case, it took me a while to figure that out. That's why I have a bunch of commands like this. But after a while, I was able to figure it out, and I was able to put the right termination right here. So I was able to get the CRT file. After I got the CRT file, proceeded to remove the CSR file, and then I did that with the clients. Didn't have any problem with the clients, thankfully. And then I made sure that I did the tree command to make sure I have the right folder tree and all the files were there. This is by mistake. I copied these files here using the tutorial, but I was able to not use those files because I had the right folder tree. I didn't have to use the way that she was doing it on the video. Okay, then I initiated the Mosquito client right here, and I was able to get the proper response here on Mosquito. Let me see if I can do it again here. Oh yes, right there. So thank you, professor. This is my video. This is Nathaniel Guzman. Have a good day for lab 4.